shot, one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted in one moment. Did you capture it? Just let it slip. Yo. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's choking now. The clock's run out, time's up, over, plow. Snap back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, there goes gravity. Choke. He's so mad, but he won't give up. Daddies, he know he won't have it. He knows his whole back to these ropes. It don't matter, he's dope. He knows that, but he's broke. He's so stagnant. He knows when he goes back to this mobile home, that's when it's back to the lab again, yo. This old rhapsody better go capture this moment and hope it don't do it. Lose itself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better. His soul's escaping through this hole that is gaping. This world is mine for the taking. Make me king as we move toward a new world order. A normal life is boring, but superstardom's close to postmortem. It only grows harder, homie grows hotter. He blows, it's all over. These fools is all on him. Coast to coast shows, he's known as the Globetrotter. Lonely roads, God only knows he's grown farther from home. He's no father. He goes home and barely knows his own daughter. But hold your nose, cause here goes the cold water. These don't want him no more. He's cold product. They moved on to the next mo who flows. He knows dove and sold nada. And so the soap opera is told. It unfolds. I suppose it's old partner, but the beat goes on. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better. No more games. I'ma change what you call rage. Tear this roof off like two dogs' cage. I was playing in the beginning, the mood all changed. I've been chewed up and spit out and booed off stage, but I kept rhyming and stepped right in the next cipher. Best believe somebody's paying the Pied Piper. All the pain inside amplified by the fact that I can't get by with my 9 to 5, and I can't provide the right type of life for my family. Cause man, these damn food stamps don't buy diapers, and there's no movie, there's no Mekhi Phifer. This is my life, and these times are so hard, and it's getting even harder trying to feed and water my seed. Plus, see the thought I caught up between being a father and a prima donna. Baby mama drama screaming on her. Too much for me to wanna stay in one spot. Another damn monotony's gotten me to the point I'm like a snail. I've got to formulate a plot or end up in jail or shot. Success is my only option. Failure's not. Mama love you, but this trailer's got to go. I cannot grow old in Salem's lot. So here I go, it's my shot. Feet fail me not. This may be the only opportunity that I got. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better. Big spirit in this bitch, I'm ghostly. Rush me, cause you ain't gonna live to roast me. I had my motherfucking ass kicked by Moby if I let some bitch in a can like Piscopo for me to do war and try to bring my crew back down. I'll never stoop to that level to do that now. I got a new cat, this time I'm pulling 2 gats out with bullets. I finally got something to shoot at now.
Let's see who got their city on lock. Let's see who got the better aim with the Glock. Let's see who come out on top. Let's see who really want their name in the street. Let's see who wanna die the same time as me and make ends meet. Now was I blessed with a gift or cursed with a curse? I followed her, verse after verse, spit verse after verse, and I'll be damned if I let let belly dance to pre or anybody swing an axe at my family tree. So now,
when you niggas be talking, saving my name, seems like your mouth is not connected to your brain. 2003 and shit, it ain't the same. Better have a strap, my nigga, simple and plain. Put your nuts on the table, my nigga, let's play the game. Hurt you so long, you be addicted to pain. I don't wanna hear what you meant, do not explain. Right before you lay in your coffin, don't say my name.
why do you hate me? I came from nothing, blood, sweat, and tears. You did not create me. How can you doubt me? You don't know shit about me. There'd be no West Coast without me. Cut with the bullshit. I struggle for survival, and now you tryna act like my rival. Watch what you say, partner. It's a small earth. Don't play games with your life, nigga. It's not worth all the pain, all the agony, all the horror, all the tragedy. Put your hands up, people. It's time to fight now. I beat holes in your chest, remain hostile. Threaten my life. One day you'll understand. They say that pride is the sign of a foolish man. So who the fuck you think you talking to? Live and direct in the flesh, I'm right in front of you.
I love it when you niggas be talking, saving my name. Seems like your mouth is not connected to your brain. 2003 and shit, it ain't the same. Better have a strap, my nigga, simple and plain. Put your nuts on the table, my nigga, let's play the game. Hurt you so long, you be addicted to pain. I don't wanna hear what you meant, do not explain. Right before you lay in your coffin, don't say my name.
I never really smashed on Jermaine's ass, straight smashed him. Nobody ganged up till he came back and jacked him. I never really brought it to his ass, I tapped him. I could've been like Tretch, Poom Pat, and slapped him purple for mimicking him with two rapping Urkels. I could've snapped, took it past rap and hurt you, but I didn't. I kept it on wax and served you. I squared ass cause I'm sick of rapping circles around these clowns steady tryna call me out. It's like I'm listening to motherfucking dogs meow. You probably do better tryna come and stomp me out. You don't want it with rap, this is what I'm all about. Come on, no gangster, you ain't neither. But I know that I spit ether. I shit across your belly. Show you I'm not R. Kelly. Pass me the weed, I'ma put my ashes out on his ass for the last time, man.
Watch your fucking mouth.
Love it when you niggas be talking, saying my name. Seems like your mouth is not connected to your brain. 2003 and shit, it ain't the same. Better have a strap, my nigga, simple and plain. Put your nuts on the table, my nigga, let's play the game. Hurt you so long, you be addicted to pain. I don't wanna hear what you meant, do not explain. Right before you lay in your coffin, don't say my name.
It's the last time, man.
What's the difference between me and you? What's the difference between me and you?
Back when Q was rolling with Lorenzo in a Benzo, I was banging with a gang of instrumentals. Got the pens and pencils, got down to business. But sometimes the business end of this shit can turn your friends against you. But you was a real nigga, I could sense it in you. I still remember the window of the car that you went through. That's fucked up, but I'll never forget the shit we've been through. And I'ma do whatever it takes to convince you. Cause you my nigga, Doc, and easy, I'm still with you. Fuck the beef, nigga, I miss you, and that's just being real with you. You see, the truth is, everybody wanna know how close me and Snoop is, and who I'm still cool with. Then I got these fake ass niggas I first blew with, claiming they non-violent, talking like they spit venom in interviews, speaking on reunions, move units, then talk shit, and we can do this. Until then, I ain't even speaking your name. Just keep my name out of your mouth, and we can keep it the same, nigga. It ain't that I'm too big to listen to the rumors, it's just that I'm too damn big to pay attention to them. That's the difference.
What's the difference between me and you? You talk a good one, but you don't do what you're supposed to do. I act on what I feel and never deal with emotions. I'm used to living big dog style with straight coasting. What's the difference between me and you? You talk a good one, but you don't do what you're supposed to do. I act on what I feel and never deal with emotions. I'm used to living big dog style with straight coasting.
Yo, I stay with it while you try to perpetrate and play with it. Never knew about the next level until Dre did it. I stay committed while you motherfuckers babysit it. I smash the critics like an overhand right from Riddick. Come and get it, shitted on villains by the millions. I be catching bitches while bitches be catching feelings. So what the fuck am I supposed to do? I pop bottles and hot hollow points at each and all of you. Come on, a heartless bastard, high and plastic. My style is like the reaction from too much acid. Never come down, patch it around, you can't handle it. Hang Hollywood niggas by they soul trade laminates. What's the difference between me and you? About 5 bank accounts, 3 ounces and 2 vehicles. Until my death, I'm Bangladesh. I suggest you hold your breath till ain't none left. Yo, that's the difference.
What's the difference between me and you?
tomorrow? Would you feel sorrow, show love, or would it matter? Could never be the leader or batter if they ain't shit for me to feed off. I'm seesaw battling, but there's way too much at stake for me to be fake. There's too much on my plate. I done came way too far in this game to turn and walk away and not say what I got to say. What the fuck you take me for, a joke? You smoking crack? Before I do that, I beg Mariah to take me back. I get up before I get down, run myself in the ground before I put some whack shit out. I'm trying to smack this one out the park. 5,000 mark, y'all steady trying to drown the shark. Ain't gonna do nothing but piss me off. Lid to the can of whip ass, just twist me off. See me leap out, pull a piece out. Fuck shooting, I'm just trying to knock his teeth out. Fuck with me now, bitch, to see you freestyle. Talk is cheap, motherfucker, if you really feeling frog asleep. Yo, Slim, you gon' let him get away with that? He tried to play you, you can't let him skate with that. Man, I hate this crap, this ain't rap. This is crazy the way we act when we confuse hip-hop with real life when the music
no getting
stops.
rid of McVeigh. If so, you would've tried. The only way I'm leaving this bitch is suicide. I have died clinically. I ride back at my enemy's crib with Hennessy. Got drunk, then I finished it. I'm every nigga's favorite arch enemy. Physically fitted to be the most dangerous nigga with beef. I spark willingly with a Dillinger in the dark diligently. I'm not what you think. I appear to be fucked up, mentally endangered. I can't stay away from a razor. I just want my face in the paper. I wish a nigga had a grenade to squeeze tight to awake neighbors for acres. I murder you. I gauge and have me turn into a madman. Son of Sam, bitch, I'm surgical. I'm allergic to dying. You think not? You got balls? We can see how large when the music
I was
stops.
happy having to deal it first. Thought money would make me happy, but it only made my pain worse. It hurts when you see your friends turn your back on you, dog, and you ain't got nothing left but your word and your balls. And you stress from the calls of your new friends, begging with their hands out, checking for your record when it's selling. When it ain't, that's the end. No laughs, no friends, no girls, just the gin you drink till your car spin. You think, damn, when you slam into the wall and you fall out the car and try to crawl with one arm. I'm about to lose it all in a pool of alcohol. If my funeral's tomorrow, wonder what they even call when the music
Let's see
stops.
how many of your men loyal. When I pull up looking for you with a pistol, sipping a can of Pennzoil. I'm revved up. Who said what when lead bust? Your head just explode with red stuff. I'm handcuffed, tossed in a paddy wagon, bragging about how you shouted like a coward. Bullets devoured you, showered you niggas. If I was you niggas, I'd run while given a chance. Understand, I can enhance the spirit of man. Death itself, it can't hurt me. Just the thought of dying alone that really irks me. You ain't worthy to speak thoughts of cheap talk. Be smart and stop trying to walk how G's walk before we spark. Hug the floor while we playing tug of war with your life. Fuck a tour in the mic, I'd rather fuck a whore with a knife. Deliver that shit that coroners like. You hype popping shit in broad daylight, nigga, you are gonna recognize it. Stops.
Instigators, turn pits and cages. Let loose and bit the neighbors, wrist the razors. Y'all don't want war, y'all want talk. In the dark, my dogs all bark like hoof. Wolf, nigga, I'm a wolf. Get your whole roof caved in like reindeer hoofs. Stomp the booth, shake the floor tiles loose. The more y'all breach, the more I lose. It's Hill Street, this is hardcore blues. Put a gun to rap, checking all our dues. Or make the news, bet you all y'all move. When the Uzi pop, you better drop when the music stop.
Music has changed my life in so many ways. Brains confused, been fucked since the 5th grade. LL told me to rock the bells. NWA said fuck the police. Now I'm in jail. 93 was strictly R&B. Fucked up haircut, listen to Jodeci. Michael Jackson, who gon' tell me I ain't Mike? Ass cheeks painted white, fucking Priscilla tonight. Trying down Sunset, smoking crack. Transvestite in the front, Eddie Murphy in the back. MOP had me grimy and gritty.
Niggas in they trucks, creaming. Ecstasy pills for these bitches. Yeah, Team Select, please collect G's. Connect these, nigga, direct the trees to the smoke fest. Wanna take a toke? The newest zone I'm in, I'm like Smithsonian, nigga, fuck it, call me Napoleon. Wave the torch, cut the head off the Leviathan. The terminology I'm rhyming in cause a frenzy up in Ireland. I hit ya, I'm gon' get ya, and drop the bomb script ya at your bar mitzvah. Yo, max it out, blast through the speakers. With a wife beater on, Bushy velour, a new pair of sneakers. Street niggas hang on the sidewalk, that's where I'm a fly tall. Pimp strut and how the skywalk. Moderate in how we established our whole conglomerate. The way we honor it, you'll never conquer it. See how we rap has a global effect on even Polish people. Young and restless down to the old and feeble. Peep them, Czechoslovakian and Yugoslavian niggas. Be all into my bounce, so don't be bothering niggas. So now, you should feel the whole cathedralish bounce. Put one in your stomach, leave you in a fetalish crouch, nigga. My vernacular is spectacular. Strategic plans to have you looking wacker than a postal office massacre. Is that so? Make moves just like a fatso. Bounce in the minivan Astro after my gap blow. get up, get out, get dough.
Get dough, niggas.
Smoke that dough.
Smoke dough
Shake
now.
your hips and bounce your slow. Niggas rap your hood with that boom.
All my niggas, if you with me, yeah. Throw your guns in the motherfucking air, come on. All my bitches, where you at now? You know I see y'all. My whole entire mind state deeper than astronomy and mathematics like Galileo. Smash you niggas like mashed potato. Back when niggas used to rock Bally's and Clarks, I used to watch little niggas sit and hustle nickel crack in the paw. Barrel spit a brighter flame in the dark. Blood spill, stain up the street. That's how niggas be leaving they mark. Fucking with diplomats who love bellies. Monopolize and quickly get other money fucking with Israelis. So solid how we be symbolic to a handful of niggas that be all scheming on the same wallet. Them type niggas that be conspiring and kidnapping. Shit happens. Gun clap for you and the gift wrapping. You should follow how the style switch up. Like a group of religious niggas scheming to kill their archbishop. You big pussy nigga acting all hard. Call me atheist because I don't believe in you, God. It's like a grand feast celebrating the bounce of the century. I told the recipe quick for any type of discrepancy. Busta Rhymes, the great Renaissance artist and architect like Hal Filippo Brunelleschi portrait. It's so hard to get. We got the obscure shit for the street. Nevertheless, we split your head and your chest. Now rock to the beat. Yo, we got the obscure shit for the street. Nevertheless, we split your head and your chest. Now rock to the beat.
Hey yo, get up, get out, get dough. Roll up, light up, and smoke.
Get dough, smoke dough,
Shake your
motherfuckers.
hips and bounce real slow.
Yeah,
Niggas rap your hood with that boom.
Yeah, all my niggas, if you with me, come on. Yeah, you know I see y'all. Throw your motherfucking guns in the sky, come on. All my bitches, where you at? You know I see y'all. Yeah, yeah. Holla at me now, come on. Yeah. Busta Rhymes, cooking up a little brown stew.
It's the one and only Digo Double G. Snoop Dogg. You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
Yeah. You know the West Coast is back for all you suckers. So put something in there. Put it in there. Yeah. Suck, Snoop.
Top dog, bite them all. Yeah, I'm burning it up. DPGC, you should be turning it up. CBT, LBC, yeah, we hooking back up. And when they bang this in the club, baby, you got to get up. Cuz homies, thugs, homies, yeah, they giving it up. Low life, yo life, boy, we living it up. Taking chances while we dancing in the party for show. Slip my girl a when she crept in the back door. Chickens looking at me strange, but you know I don't care. Step up in this mother, just a swank in my hair. Trick, quit talking, quick walk if you down with the set. Take a with some grip and take this on the jet. Out of town, put it down for the father of rap. And if you happen to get cracked, Trick, shut your trap. Come back, get back, that's the part of success. If you believe in the S, you'll be relieving your stress.
It's the one and only D.R.E. Dr. Dre, Lil Buck. You know I'm mobbing with the D.O.G. Straight off them killer streets of CPT. King up the beach, you ride to him in your fleet. Wood, coop the field, rolling on dubs. How you feel? Whoop-de-whoop. What? Dre and Snoop hitting cumblers in the lag. With Doc in the back, sipping on yak. Clipping all the amps, dipping through hoods. What hood? Compton, Long Beach, Inglewood. South Central out to the west side. It's California love, it's California. Got your boy a gang of pub. I'm on one, I might bell up in the Century Club with my jeans on and my team strong. Get my drink on and my smoke on, then go home with something to poke on. Locust song for the 200. Coming real, it's the next episode.
Hold up, hey, for my who be thinking we soft, we don't play. We gon' rock it till the wheels fall off. Hold up, hey, for my who be acting too bold, take a seat. Hope you're ready for the next episode. Hey.
When we ride, come equipped with game. You claim to be a
Charles and Junior Mafia, some mark ass bitches. We keep on coming while we running for your juice. Steady gunning, keep on busting at the fools. You know the rules. Little Caesar, go ask your homie how I leave you. Cut your young ass up, leave you in pieces. Now be deceased. Lil' Kim, don't fuck around with real G's. Quick to snatch your ugly ass off the streets. So fuck peace. I let them niggas know it's on for life. Don't let the West Side ride the night. Bad boy murdered on wax and kill. Fuck with me and get your caps peeled. You know, see, grab your blocks when you see Tupac. Call the cops when you see Tupac. Who shot me but your pumps didn't finish. Now you're about to feel the wrath of a menace. Nigga, I hit him up.
Check this out, you motherfuckers know what time it is. I don't even know why I'm on this track. Y'all niggas ain't even on my level. I'ma let my little homies ride on you bitch made ass bad boy bitches. Feel me.
Get out the way, yo, get out the way, yo. Biggie Smalls just got dropped. Little move past the Mac and let me hit him in his back. Frank White need to get spanked right for setting tracks. Little accident murderers, and I ain't never heard of ya. Poisonous cats attack when I'm serving ya. Spank and shake your whole style when I gank. Guard your rank, cause I'ma slam your ass in the paint. Puffy weaker than the fucking block I'm running through, nigga. And I'm smoking Junior Mafia in front of you, nigga. With the ready power, tucking my gas under my Eddie Bauer. Your clout petty sour, I'll push packages every hour. Hit 'em up.
Grab your blocks when you see Tupac. Call the cops when you see Tupac. Who shot me but your punks didn't finish. Now you're about to feel the wrath of a menace. Nigga, we hit 'em up. People how we do it, keep it real. It's penitentiary steel. This ain't no freestyle battle. All you niggas getting killed with your mouths open. Trying to come up off of me, you in the clouds open. Smoking dope, it's like a Sherman. Niggas think they learn to fly, but they burn, motherfucker, you deserve to die. Talking about you getting money, but it's funny to me. All you niggas living bummy while you fucking with me. I'm a self-made millionaire. Thug living out of prison, pistols in the air. Biggie, remember when I used to let you sleep on the couch and beg a bitch to let you sleep in the house? Now it's all about Versace. You copy my style. 5 shots couldn't drop me. I took it and smiled. Now I'm about to set the record straight. With my AK, I'm still the thug that you love to hate. Motherfucker, I hit
I'm from NEW Jers with plenty murders occurs. No points of comments, we bring the drama to all you heard. Knuckle check the scenario. Little C's, I bring you fake G's to your knees. Copping please in these scenario. Little Kim, is you coked up or doped up? Little Junior Whopper click smoked up. What the fuck is you stupid? I take money, crashing and mashing through Brooklyn. With my click looting, shooting and polluting your block. With 15 shot, cock lock to your knot. Outlaw mafia click, moving up another notch. In your box top spots, get mopped and dropped. All your fake ass East Coast props brainstormed and locked.
Use a beat writer, a pop style taker. I tell you to your face, you ain't shit but a faker. So for the Alizé with a chaser, about to get murdered for the paper. Edie, I mean approach the scene of the caper like a loke with low Caesar and a choke. Toting smoke, we ain't no motherfucking joke. Dog life niggas better be known. We approaching in a wide open gun smoking. No need for hoping it's a battle lost. I got 'em crossed as soon as the funk is popping off. Nigga, I hit 'em up.
Now you tell me who won. I see them, they run. They don't wanna see us. Whole Junior Mafia clique dressing up trying to be us. How the fuck they gonna be the mob when we always on our job?
No, he didn't. They didn't do it again. What? You shit on these niggas 2 times, Dr. Dre?
Oh, for sure.
No, this is special right here. Yeah, it's a toast to the boogie, baby. To the boogie, oogie. Yeah, what's cracking, Dre?
Just let me lay back and kick some old simplistic pimp shit on slim shit and start rise like Limp Bizkit. Stone guilty conscience at concerts and watch mosh pits. Some motherfuckers knock each other unconscious. Some of these crowds that slim draws as rowdy as Crenshaw Boulevard when it's packed and full of cars. Some of these crowds me and Snoop draw is niggas from Crenshaw, from Long Beach to South Central. Not these niggas again, these grown ass ignorant men with hair triggers again. You and what army could harm me? D.R.E. and Shady with Doggy from Long Beach. They came a long way to making these songs play. It'll be a wrong move to steer me the wrong way. I got a long ooze and I carry it all day. Sometimes it's like a nightmare to be an Andre, but
somehow, some way. Hello, nigga, you know about dog games. Now let me cut these niggas up and show them where the fuck I'm coming from. I get the party cracking with the shit that I be spitting, son. Hit and run, get it done, get the fun, split and run. Got about 50 guns, and I love all of them the same. Bang, bang. Damn, baby girl, what's your name? I forgot what you say it was. Damn, a nigga buzz, hanging in the club with my nephew Eminem. What up, cuz? The great white American hope. Then hooked up with the king of the motherfucking West Coast, baby.
And you don't really wanna fuck with me. Only nigga that I trust is me. Fuck around and make me bust is he.
The devil, they always want to change.
I'm the head nigga in charge. I'm watching you move. You're found dead in your garage with 10 o'clock news coverage. Gotta love it cause I exposed the facade. Your little lungs is too small to hot box with God. All jokes aside, come bounce with us. Standing over you with a 12 gauge, about to bust. It's like ashes to ashes and dust to dust. I might leave in a body bag, but never in cuffs. So who do you trust? They just not rugged enough. When things get rough, I'm in the club shooting with puff. Bitches, please, you must have a mental disease. Assume the position and get back down on your knees. Come on.
And you don't really wanna fuck with me. Only nigga that I trust is me. Fuck around and make me bust is he.
It's the devil, they always wanna dance.
And you don't really wanna fuck with me. Only nigga that I trust is me. Fuck around and make me bust is he.
It's the devil, they always wanna dance.
Oh no, big slim dog, 80-pound balls, thick 6-inch long. Back up in the easy, baby. He's shady.
He's so crazy.
Give me the mic, let me recite to Timothy White. Pickets outside the Interscope offices every night. What if he's right? I'm just a criminal, making a living off of the world's misery. What in the world gives me the right to say what I like and walk around flipping the bird, living the urban life like a white kid from the burbs, dreaming at night and screaming at mom, scheming to leave, run away from home and grow to be as evil as me. I just want you all to notice me and people to see that somewhere deep down is a decent human being in me. It just can't be found. So the reason you've been seeing this me is cause this is me now. The reason doodles being this mean. So when you see me dressing up like a nerd on TV or heard the CD using the fag word so freely, it's just me being me. Here, want me to tone it down? Suck my fucking dick, you faggot. You happy now? Look at it. I start some trouble everywhere that I go. Ask the bouncers in the club cause they know. I start some shit, they throw me out the back door. Come back and shoot the club up with a fofo.
And you don't really wanna fuck with me. Only nigga that I trust is me. Fuck around and make me bust is he.
The devil, they always wanna dance.
And you don't really wanna fuck with me. Only nigga that I trust is me. Fuck around and make me bust is he.
The devil, they always wanna dance.
2001 and forever. Slim Shady, Dr. Dre, Snoop Dogg, X to the Z, Nate Dogg. Come on.
Same thing, LA ain't changed. Niggas still player hating, but Dre ain't changed. I'm just a lot smarter now. Cause these niggas is banging 10 times harder now. Niggas bringing their ass up in the wrong part of town. Better turn their car around, rolling their window down.
Hey, can we talk it out?
Nah, get the fuck out. Johnny got a shotgun, and he ain't even strong enough to cock one. Fuck trying to job hunt. Niggas got AKs. Niggas is way crazier than Dre was back in his NWA days. Niggas spray strays and shoot without looking. Niggas walk by and blast without leaving a footprint. I think the attitudes are twice as worse. It takes half the time to get your whole life reversed. Always trying to play Rambo with the hammer. Make a nigga wanna stay in family mode.
No matter where I go, all I ever seem to see it. Everywhere I go, all I ever seem to hear it. No matter where I go, all I ever seem to see it.
I gets down, rip sound with the sick style, piss style, lick round, get off my dick now, get crowd, hot style, you kids style, timid, scared to get in it, these doors is rock cloud, unchained, untamed, you know my name, act strange, pack flame, it's not a game, just eight flows that kill shows, you can feel yo, kick it in your dough like a steel toe for real though, y'all gon' learn how spit germ, when you come short on big worm, you get burned, punks don't get turned, they get done, and get sucked, come get some, the last victim lie in a ditch, now who wanna fuck with hot neck, niggas chew gum with their ass and pop shit, me and Bum Doc get toxic, a bowl of rice and some chopsticks, don't make the woo just a pop, way out of boy.
Everywhere I go, all I ever seem to hear it. No matter where I go, all I ever seem to see it. Everywhere I go, all I ever seem to hear it. No matter where I go, all I ever seem to see it.
Try to OK Corral with Dr. Method Cow. Bar saloon fight without weapons out. Stretch marks like belly on Kevin Lau.
Fright night when niggas bite, we bust pipe. Condos that's uptight. We all right, you all hype and ball trite. In the source with half mic, you half life and half dead. Black dead on flatbed. I'm past that. Eyes red, the hashtag. Burn something, and learn something. Take my turn running. Def Jam and heard nothing yet. Suspect. What's next? Welcome down or you get busted. Never leave home without my musket. Trust it. Out for justice, clown. In court on judgment day, call Joe Brown. Take MCs to town if they starbound. Ashes to ashes, they all fall down. Master, you bastard, it has an attack. Semi-automatic, full-track, metal jack.
Never seem to hear it. No matter where I go, I'll never seem to see it. Everywhere I go, I'll never seem to hear
Tequila spice, hot night, feeling right, sipping on Jose Cuervo. Down to Tijuana, Mexico, thinking of the big score the night before. Met the connect, who was impressively dressed in high fabrics with troops like Beirut. Upon the mezzanine, brandishing submachine guns. Hey yo, it's all about the money, son. Now that's the only reason. Became south of the border to complete this work order. We gotta get it, no looking back, going all out for it. Ready to attack, die in a minute, flat for it. God is my witness. We got ditches for you motherfucking fake bitches. It all boils down to the business. Nothing personal when niggas acting like they helping you. I fucking blast you like Frank Castle. Motherfucker.
Tequila sunrise, bloodshot eyes. Realize we all born to die. So get the money, nigga. Tequila sunrise, bloodshot eyes. Realize we all born to die. So get the money, nigga. I never knew money like this in the palm of my hand till I met the man with man hook up in big plans. Everywhere you look up, he got everybody shook up running for cover. The big bad wolf, motherfucker. He was like a father figure. Showed me the bigger picture. Fuck slanging on the corner. Don't let the pigs get ya. Not like these fools who don't comprehend. Who end up doing the 25-bit in the pen. You got that? He gave me a cup. I took a swig. The bitter taste of the Moscow free worm shit. Dropping a lesson. He slapped my face. He said, listen, pay attention, brother. You're my ace, but don't ever question. Just do what I say and you'll be rich. And keep this in your mind. Rats lay in the ditch with no spine. Don't ever forget that golden rule in the game. Cheers, they all know your name. It's like fame. Wow, women and money don't mix like cricket and driving. Watch those conniving women and keep your eye out. Always be aware of what's around you. They wanna down you and fucking clown you. Keep your shit in order, the money won't stop. Pretty soon you'll be on top. Tequila sunrise, bloodshot eyes. Realize we all born to die. So get the money, nigga. Tequila sunrise, bloodshot eyes. Realize we all born to die. So get the money, nigga. Tequila sunrise with the bloodshot eyes. My, how time flies and goes by surprise. My mentor passed on and passed on to me. Emergency for my enemies who wanna murder me. Eat the worm, motherfucker, when you burn, motherfucker. Better kill me, don't let me return, motherfucker. Trust no man, cause I'll be back, you understand. With the plan in my ace in hand, I want it all. I recall the words from Jesus. You want the juice, better go get it. Don't let it get to your head, embed it. Let these words stick, you better be ready to die. Now take a fucking sip, harsh ain't it, but I never lie. Tequila sunrise, bloodshot eyes. Realize we all born to die. So get the money, nigga. Tequila sunrise, bloodshot eyes. Realize we all born to die. So get the money, nigga.
From the depths of the sea, back to the block, Snoop Doggy Dogg, funky as the doc went solo on that ass, but it's still the same. Long Beach is the spot where I serve my cane. Follow me, but don't lose your grip. 9 trizzies, the years there for me to fuck up shit. So I ain't holding nothing back, and motherfucker, I got 5 on the 20 sack. It's like that, and as a matter of fact, cause I never hesitate to put a nigga on his back.
Yeah, so keep out the manuscript. You see that it's a must we drop gangsta.
What's my motherfucking name? Yeah.
It's the bow to the wild, creeping and crawling, Yiggy yes yo, and Snoop Doggy Dogg in the motherfucking house like every day. Dropping shit with my nigga Mr. Dr. Dre. Like I said, niggas can't fuck with this. And niggas can't fuck with that shit that I drop, cause you know it don't stop. Mr. 187 on the motherfucking top. Tick-tock, now with a Glock, just some nuts in the cock. Robbing motherfuckers, then I kill them blood cops. And I step through the fog and I creep through the small, cause I'm Snoop Doggy, Doggy, Doggy. Oh. Just throw your hands in the motherfucking air and wave the motherfuckers like you just don't care. Yeah, roll up the dank and pour this drink and watch it stink. Cause doggy's on the gang. My bankroll's on swole. My shit's on hit legit, now I'm on parole. Stroll with the dog pound right behind me and up in your bitch is where you might find me laying that, playing that G thing. She want the nigga with the biggest nuts, and guess what? He is I and I am him. Slim with the tilted brim. What's my motherfucking name?
This here is when the
take off. Trick, take a flick